So we want to find a and k so that both of these points are on this parabola. So let's substitute in for the x and y values, right? And we can get this 6a and then 2 minus 1 squared plus k. Right? And the other one's going to be 12 is equal to a, 3 minus 1 squared plus k. This top equation is going to become 6 is equal to, this is 1, right? So 1 squared is also 1. So we get this. And here, this is going to be 12 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So 4a plus k. So now we have a system of linear equations, and we can subtract these two to get rid of the k values here. Okay, so we'll get minus 6 is equal to minus 3a. So dividing both sides by minus 3, you can get that a must be 2. Okay, so we have a to be 2. Right, to figure out k, let's plug it into the first equation. So we get 6 is equal to 2 plus k. Subtract 2 to both sides, and we get that k is 4.